Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading through the MEXC crypto exchange. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, MEXC offers a user-friendly platform packed with features designed to enhance your trading experience. MEXC is known for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, enabling users to trade a diverse range of digital assets. This means you can explore new investment opportunities and increase your portfolio's potential. What sets MEXC apart is its commitment to security and efficiency, providing traders with a safe environment to execute their transactions seamlessly. One of the standout features of MEXC is its low trading fees, making it an appealing choice for both beginners and experienced traders alike. With competitive rates, you can maximize your profits and minimize your expenses. Plus, MEXC's intuitive interface ensures that you can easily navigate the platform, making your trading experience smooth and hassle-free. Are you ready to get started with MEXC? If so, here's your chance to take advantage of our exclusive offer. Using the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up allows you to unlock special benefits and rewards. This is a great way to boost your trading experience and maximize your profits right from the start. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Engaging with the MEXC community also offers access to a wealth of knowledge and resources. With constant market updates and insights, you can stay informed and make better trading decisions. Plus, the platform regularly hosts events and promotions that can enhance your trading journey even further. In conclusion, MEXC Crypto Exchange is an excellent platform for those looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency. With its user-friendly design, low fees, and a vast selection of assets, it's the perfect place to grow your investments. Remember to use the referral code 12K4M5 when you register to unlock amazing benefits tailored just for you. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content about the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Happy trading!